Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? So today we're looking at U.S. Steel. Option is expiring today. I waited very long to let this go or to figure it out. So I'm gonna try to roll it, and 1 week doesn't look like it's gonna work. All right, going out 2 weeks. It's better. Let's go a month. That's way better. Buck. $100. So $100 a month. Yeah, that's pretty good. Try to roll it up too. Let's try to roll it up. Go to 25. Go up and out. And see what kind of premium we get. 50 cents still. Pretty good. I'll take it. Alright, so US Steel has been having a lot of growth. So, alright, commodity prices have been going sky high. So we can see, let's see. So now we're out. We rolled it out, we rolled it up, and we're much closer to the money now. Alright guys, at least we're out of trouble for this month. Rolled this out to September. Give us some more time for the stock to behave and come down closer to where we need it to be. Alright guys, be sure to subscribe and thanks for watching.